Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to update the BBVA Spain Bank app so you can enjoy the latest features and security improvements. First, open your App Store. For Android, open the Google Play Store. For iOS, open the App Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Navigate to the search bar at the top and type BBVA Spain. Locate the official app from the search results. And if an update is available, you will see an update button instead of open. Tap update and wait for the app to download and install. Once updated, tap open to launch BBVA Spain. You are now ready to use the latest version with all new features and improvements. And that's it. Keeping your BBVA Spain app updated ensures better performance, security, and access to the newest banking features. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.